So here with an H, so Thehear clinic, and you go to reviews. Left a lovely review yesterday. It was just amazing, his reaction. It feels like he's been born again. That was the exact words. I feel like I've been born again. I can hear. So this wax has made his life miserable. He thought he almost had to live with it for the rest of his life because he had such a bad experience, he said, at ENT. And then he obviously just came across my YouTube channel, and I think some family members of his also came. So I've managed to remove the dead keratin from the roof of the ear canal. Now we're back at the base, and I can see I've lifted it off the canal wall, and just behind that you can see the eardrum with some dead keratin and wax impacted directly onto the eardrum. So I'm just trying to wriggle this out, and you can see the ear canal narrows here. So what you can see here, I'm coming a bit further away from with the endoscope, and the ear canal narrows. So we have to wriggle this through a narrow gap in the ear canal, and that'll be more obvious in a moment. So what I'm going to do in a moment is just put some more drops in to lubricate the wax that's stuck on the eardrum. And when I extract it, you'll see it gets lodged. But before that, I'm just going to use an ear hook. So there's a bit, again, we just have to be so careful. We're so deep in the ear now, and I just want to avoid touching the ear canal. So I'm just trying to see if I can navigate it through. There's a bit of a gap there, so I've got it into the plug. Trying to pull it out, and again it's just dissected it. I'm just going to try that again, just because it's a now, I'm just trying to really pull it through, but just cuts through it like a hot knife through butter. So back in with the suction probe, just trying to wriggle this loose, bringing it through the narrow ring of the ear canal.